Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2013 Lincoln MKZ 2.0 Turbo. Alright, just made a video of how to remove the battery. Now we're going to go ahead and install this battery. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove those little covers. Bring the battery in like so. Perfect. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and plug in the positive terminal. And just work that all the way down. Alright, and we'll go ahead and secure this down. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and connect our negative terminal. Alright, now we'll go ahead and secure this down with a 10mm. Alright, once you have both terminals secured, go ahead and push in the battery. And there's two slots here to secure down the battery. I unfortunately do not have that bracket. Alright, well unfortunately I wasn't able to find anything that will secure that battery, so we'll just have to leave it like that. But in case you do have that, go ahead and secure the battery. Now we'll go ahead and put on this little cover. Alright, and there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and put this cover back on. Slip that right in there. Probably going to need both hands. Alright, and there it is. Now we'll go ahead and secure it down here. Alright, and there it is. Now we'll go ahead and put the hooks over. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and clamp this down right here, this one here. Then we'll go ahead and plug in our pigtail just like so. We'll go ahead and secure this down. We'll use a flathead for that and secure that right there. Flathead right here. Probably gonna need both hands for that. There it goes. Just make sure it's nice and secured. Perfect, and we are set. Let's go ahead and start her over. As we walk in, we already have life, and let's start her up. Sweet. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.